Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 5th of September 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.09%, settling the day at 40,974.97, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,084.30, falling 0.30%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,886.69, and Hang Seng is trading at 17,521. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,362.50, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 975.46 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 97.35 crore in the last trading session. SEBI for overhaul of tracking household savings via the market. GST Council likely to consider relief for industries including IT, foreign airlines. Now talking about global aspects, dollar wobbles on rising bets of outsized Fed rate cut. OPEC Plus may delay October oil output increase amid price drop and economic concerns. WTI fell 1.62% at $69.20 a barrel, and Brent fell 1.42% to $72.70 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.22. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.03%, up. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. The domestic benchmark indices experienced a pullback after opening lower, driven by a downturn in global markets and heightened concerns about a potential slowdown in the US economy. Despite these challenges, investors adopted a buy-on-correction approach, leading to a sharp rebound from the day's lows. However, the Sensex still declined by nearly 200 points, closing at 82,352.64, while the Nifty ended the day in red, closing at 25,198.70. Outlook for the day. Nifty opened with a gap down but recovered from the lows, showing ongoing buying interest. Resistance is at 25,300, with a breakout potentially driving it to 25,500. A drop below 25,000 may lead to further weakness towards 24,800. The trend remains bullish, making buy on dips a favorable strategy. Nifty Bank consolidated in a tight range. A move above 51,800 could push the index towards 52,300. However, if the support at 51,400 fails to hold, a decline towards 51,000 is possible. Given the bullish sentiment, a buy on dip strategy remains favorable. Stocks on the radar are: bullish view, BPCL, Hind Petro, Biocon, Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited, Voltas. Bearish view, Nalco, Vale, NBCC, Trent, Info Edge. Our chart of the day is bullish on granules. Trade of the day: granules, buy at 700 to 704. Stop 687. Target 745. Aggressive targets at 728. Rationale, momentum catch up. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.